Good morning, fifth class. So here we are going to start our next exercise of the syllabus, that is exercise 3.5. So here in this exercise we will be finding LCM, that is least common multiple of the given numbers. Here are different methods of finding LCM, that is first is prime factorization method. First we are going to do prime factorization method. So how you will do this method, let me explain. So first sum is LCM by prime factorization method 108 and 141. First you will make prime factors of these numbers. Prime factors means the numbers, आप जो numbers यहाँ पे divide करने के लिए ले रहे हो, that should be the prime numbers. And prime numbers are which are only divisible on their own table. So यहाँ पे जो number ले रहे हो वो कौन से होने चाहिए? Prime numbers. So firstly I will divide it by 2 because it is an even number. Again it will got divisible by 2 because even number. Now it will get divisible by 3. So by this way you can make the prime factors of these numbers of first number and second number. Now you will write it like this. You will write it like this. Now LCM में जो number लेने हैं, how you will take those numbers which we are going to multiply for the LCM. You have to see first which are the common numbers. Common numbers, only 3 is common. 3 and here 3 is common. And you have to see which is the highest power of 3. Common numbers की हमने क्या लेनी है? Highest power, that means कितनी बार सबसे maximum बार 3 किस में है, वही हमने 3 लेनी है power. This is 3 3 3 3 times 3 इसमें है. So we will pick all these 3s. 3 की हमने जो common number है उसकी highest power लेनी है, इसको छोड़ देना है. जो सबसे कम बार है उसको छोड़ देना है. Next is 3 की हाईएस्ट पावर लेनी है, दैट इज 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. और जो अनकॉमन है वो सारे नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. दीज आर द अनकॉमन. 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, जितनी बार भी 2 है वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा बिकॉज 2 इज अनकॉमन. किसी में भी कॉमन नहीं, इन दोनों में कॉमन नहीं है 2. सो 2 विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड 2 times and other uncommon number is 47. So these all will get multiply. After multiplying you will get answer 5076. Now let us move towards the third part also. First you will make prime factors like this. I have made prime factors. Write it in this way. Now you have to see which are the common numbers. It is 3 and 3. Only maximum power of 3 is 3. एक ही बार maximum power 3 की क्या है? Only 1. So 1 time 3 we will write. Next is 13. Other common number is 13. 13 and 13 की maximum power क्या है? 13. Only 1 time 13. और अनकॉमन नंबर जो है वो सभी मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. दिस इज द अनकॉमन नंबर. ओनली 5 इज लेफ्ट. सो 3 मल्टीप्लाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई 13 इज 195. नेक्स्ट इज 72 एंड 90. इनके भी हमने प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाए. प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाने के बाद 72 प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर दीज एंड 90 प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर दीज. नाउ एलसीएम इज इक्वल टू, सो यू हैव टू सी फर्स्ट कॉमन नंबर्स. 2 and 3 आर कॉमन. 2 और 3 की आपने कॉमन हाईएस्ट पावर देखनी है. सो हाईएस्ट पावर कितनी बार, मैक्सिमम बार किस में है? 2 कॉमन, इसमें है 3 बार. 2 इज कॉमन एंड पावर ऑफ 2 इज 3. सो वी विल राइट 3 times 2. और 3 की मैक्सिमम पावर क्या है? 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. इसमें भी 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3 2 बार है, इसमें भी 2 बार है. सो वी विल राइट इट 3 मल्टीप्लाई 3. Next is uncommon is 5. Only 1 time 5. Then we will write it 1 time 5. Then we will multiply all these numbers. So 360 will be the answer. Now you will try all the parts by yourself. Next we will move to the next method of this sum, that is that is division method. LCM by division method. Second sum, first part. So you will divide it. You will divide all the given numbers in this way. ठीक है? You will divide the given number in this way. Till then, कब तक आपको divide करना है? जब तक आपका लास्ट में कोई भी कॉमन नंबर ना बचे. Because 1, 7 and 10, these are the all the uncommon numbers. इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है, किसी भी कॉमन टेबल पे डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे. So you can leave division till here. And after leaving the division, write all the numbers you have here. All the numbers on this side. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And also these numbers 7 and 10. You will multiply all these numbers. Then you will get the LCM by division method. Again 75, 90 and 125 divided by 5 because all are having 5 0 or 5 on the ones place, so all will get divisible on 5. So after dividing, quotient will 75 by 5 quotient will be 15, 90 divided by 5 quotient will be 18, 125 divided by 5 quotient will be 25. In this way you will keep on dividing on different tables. Till then, here the numbers should become uncommon. Here all numbers should become uncommon. Then you can leave the division here. Now you are for finding LCM, you will multiply all these number 5, 3, 5, 6 and 5. So after multiplying all these number you will get the answer. Now you have to try all these parts from your given in your book, exercise 3.5. Try all the parts because all the parts are present in the syllabus. If any query, then ask me. You can call me anytime. Thanks to all of you.